Hello guys, my name is Dennis, thank you for coming to my channel, and today I'm gonna check again the FSD Beta 10.69.2 in the rain. Uh, let me just go from this parking lot, and I'm gonna turn on the FSD Beta. Let me just double tap here. It didn't allow me. Okay, very nice, and we going straight. And I think the beta gonna move right now to the left lane, but no, it's decided to stay in that lane. Okay, not bad actually. And you can see it's a rain, and let's see how the beta gonna handle in the rain. Okay, there was a little bit harsh stop. I press accelerator here, and the beta needs to move. Okay, very good, very nice here. Perfect. I like it a lot actually. All right, and no, next light, I think. After that light, we gotta turn left. Let's see how the beta gonna be able to turn left, and then it's a merchant highway. Last time when I checked that route, it's I'm going from the Staten Island to the Brooklyn. There was actually no problem at all. I was surprised, but I'm not remember if there was 1069.2 or 10.12.2. I'm not sure. And the beta wants to. No, it's not. Okay. Because first it showed that it wants to. Yeah. It wants to move to that lane. Maybe it's two lanes turning. No, it's not. I don't know why the beta did that. We were staying in the right lane, and then beta decided to move on the wrong lane. Interesting. But it's okay. Let's see what the beta gonna do here. For now, we're staying in the red light, and now it's a green light, and we'll be ready to proceed. I don't think that the beta gonna make that turn. I don't think so. I gotta press accelerator because it's cars behind me. Wow, very nice, perfect. The beta did that. Wow, very good. And now it's slowing down. I gotta press accelerator. Maybe okay. We gotta stay here and wait for the green light, I think. Okay. Anyway, let's the beta decided what to do. Okay, and we're waiting. Okay, and the beta could proceed. Okay, I gotta press accelerator this time. You see the guy start screaming. Okay, it's a construction here. The beta see that. Very nice. And now we're gonna move on the highway. Last time there was no problem with that. Yes, no problem today too. Okay, I gotta press accelerator because the beta make a stop. Okay, I gotta press accelerator again. But it's no problem, just accelerator. Alright, very good. Wow, that guy was so close to me, this one that just that the SUV there was so close. Okay, I'm not gonna touch, I'm gonna try not touch anything. Let's see how the beta gonna merge here. Okay. It's slowing down actually for the no reason, but anyway, I gotta press accelerator a little bit. Okay, and it's at the line. Oh, yeah, that's the Speedy Gonzalez here. He can be able to just stay in the back of us, but it's okay. And you know what? Now it's like more rain, but no, you see, I'm just saw that there is rain and the Navigator Autopilot doing great here, but no, it said poor weather detected and Navigator Autopilot unavailable, which is gonna be on the regular Autopilot, just because of the rain. Let me move to that lane. Actually, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That was a harsh stop. Just because of those guys that they move from the right lane that they merge the highways. But that's okay. I was thinking I gotta move to the middle lane, I think. Okay, now it's again on Navigate and Autopilot. Easy here. It changed the illustrations there. Okay, let me be in that line. Let's see. Let's see how to navigate. Okay, it's slowing down a little bit. Let's let that car go, I think. But you gotta press a little bit gas. Okay, perfect. Very nice. You did that. Anyway, we're staying at the traffic, but it's okay. I'm not gonna touch anything. I think I'm just gonna fast forward those highway moments. And you see here, because of the weather, the beta again on the regular autopilot. And we're still driving, and I disconnect the beta. I mean, okay, I'm disconnected, and I'm gonna try to connect it again. If we're gonna be on the Navigate and Autopilot, that's gonna be great. If we're gonna be just on the regular Autopilot, then there is no reason for me to do that video. I mean, let's try again. Okay, perfect. We now navigate in Autopilot. Let's check. Let's see how the beta gonna do it here. Now again, it's poor weather detected, and we're not on the navigate in Autopilot. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see here if it's gonna connect the navigate and Autopilot again. Let me try to disconnect it, and then let me try to engage it again. No, and we still on the just on the regular Autopilot. Okay, now we again navigate in Autopilot because we're under the bridge and there is no rain. I think that's why, and we should move to that right lane. I mean left lane. Sorry. Okay, very nice. The beta decided to move. Perfect. All right, very nice. Okay, very nice. We take that exit, no problem. And we're still on the navigating autopilot. I'm always scared here, but no problem at all. And I think it's gonna be stop raining right now. Okay, and let's see how the beta gonna merge here. Because over here it's you see it's a lot of cars, it's a traffic, and we're gonna merge in one lane. Let's say two lanes merge in one lane. Let's see how the beta gonna perform that. I think it's gonna be some problems with that. If I would drive here, I would move to that left lane. But let's see. Let's see how the beta gonna do that. Okay, it's slowing down. All right, but we're proceeding perfect. The beta was so close to that car, I disconnected and disengage it. Yeah, it's hard for beta to merge in those lanes, but anyway, disengage it, and I'm gonna engage it again. Okay, that's why you gotta pay attention. Always you gotta pay attention when you drive beta. And you can see here there's actually the new road, and there is no visible lanes, but the beta is still doing great. Okay, let me disengage the beta because it's on the regular autopilot. I'm just gonna take the exit and I'm gonna try to turn it on again. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna let me turn it on. If it's allowed me to turn on the beta. Okay, and I'm on exit. Let me try to turn on the FSD Beta here. Let me just move to that lane. Let me engage it again. Okay, very nice, no problem. I don't think we're supposed to be here. I disengage it. Okay, I'm engaged again. Okay, so far so good. Let's see. The beta gonna turn here on the service road. Whoa, 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 whoa! What was that? I was not sure. Huh. Stopping for traffic. No, 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 no. Okay. It didn't allow me to engage it after still temporarily unavailable. But that move was strange. We just go straight to. Okay, and I don't think it's gonna allow me to. Okay. We in a beta. Let's see when it's gonna go. It's supposed to go straight. Let's see actually how the beta gonna perform that. Because it's a car turning in my lane, and the beta see that. It's another car, the beta see that too. Okay, it's gonna be a lot of cars, and I'm really interested how the beta and it start moving a little bit slowly. Okay, very nice. Wow, perfect. I didn't think that the beta gonna do that. Wow, very nice. I'm surprised. Perfect. Perfect. And here we're gonna turn right. It's gonna be also some pedestrians, I believe. And for now, we're staying in the red light. And this light actually gonna be blinking red light. And the blinking red light we could turn, and solid light we have to stop. It's a New York rules. It's actually the sign there, but I don't think that the beta see that sign and read that sign. Not now. Okay. And we're moving. Okay, perfect. We should stop here first. Okay, all right. Okay, I disengaged it by mistake. That's because I touched the wheel a little bit harder. Okay, I'm engaged it again, but we are here at my destination. And all right, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna post video soon. All right, thank you guys. Once again, subscribe to my channel. It's really important for me. Thank you. Bye, guys.